Do you wake up every morning with that nagging, stiff, and achy feeling in your knees? That feeling that makes getting out of bed feel like a monumental task? If you're nodding your head right now, you're not alone. Millions of people deal with knee pain every single day, and it can seriously impact your quality of life. But what if I told you there's a simple, secret morning ritual that could help you say goodbye to that pain? And it takes just a few minutes each day. Stick around because I am about to share the exact routine that has helped so many people get their mobility and their mornings back. So, what is this big secret? It's not some expensive gadget or a miracle pill. It's a concept called joint hydration. And it's all about waking up your knees gently before you even put your feet on the floor. Think about it. After a long night of being still, the fluid inside your joints, called synovial fluid, gets thick and sluggish. This fluid is like the oil for your body's engine. When it's not flowing properly, your joints feel stiff and painful. Our goal is to get that fluid moving again, lubricating the knee joint so it can move smoothly and without pain. This ritual is so simple, you can do it while you're still lying in bed. That's right. You don't even have to get up yet. This is perfect for those mornings when your knees are screaming at you. We're going to break this down into 3 easy steps. Step 1 is the ankle pump. While you're still lying on your back, straighten your legs out as much as is comfortable. Now, gently point your toes away from you, like you're pressing a gas pedal. Hold that for a couple of seconds. Then, slowly pull your toes back towards your shins, feeling a gentle stretch in your calf. Repeat this pumping motion about 20 times for each foot. What you're doing is activating the calf muscles, which act as a second heart for your lower legs, helping to pump blood and that all-important synovial fluid up towards your knee joint. It's like turning on the irrigation system for your knees first thing in the morning. Now for step 2, the heel slide. Still on your back, slowly bend one knee by sliding your heel along the bed towards your glutes. Go only as far as you can without pain. The key here is slow and controlled movement. Don't force it. Hold for a moment and then slowly slide your heel back down to straighten your leg. Do this about 10 to 15 times for each leg. This movement gently warms up the quadriceps and hamstrings, the major muscles that support your knee, and encourages that synovial fluid to circulate right where you need it most. You're essentially telling your knee, hey, good morning, Jimmy, to wake up, but let's do it gently. All right, last but not least, step 3 is the pillow squeeze or isometric quad contraction. Grab a pillow or rolled up towel and place it under one knee. Your leg should be slightly bent. Now, gently press the back of your knee down into the pillow, tensing the large muscle on the front of your thigh or quadriceps. Hold this contraction for about 5 seconds. Then relax. You shouldn't feel pain in the joint itself, just the muscle working. Do this 10 times on each side. This exercise is fantastic because it strengthens the main stabilizer muscle for your knee without actually moving the joint, which is perfect for when your knees are feeling sensitive. A stronger quad acts like a natural knee brace, absorbing shock and taking pressure off the joint itself. So let's recap the whole ritual. First, 20 ankle pumps on each foot to get the circulation going. Second, 10 to 15 gentle heel slides per leg to lubricate the joint. And third, 10 pillow squeezes for each knee to activate those supportive quad muscles. The entire routine takes less than 10 minutes, and you can do it before your alarm even goes off for the second time. Now, you might be thinking, can something this simple really make a difference? The answer is a resounding yes. Consistency is the absolute key. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You do it every day to prevent problems, right? This is the same idea for your joints. Doing this ritual every single morning, day after day, creates a cumulative effect. One of our community members, a 62-year-old retired teacher named Sarah, told me she used to need 10 minutes just to feel confident enough to walk to the bathroom in the morning. After doing this routine for just 1 week, she said her morning stiffness was cut in half. After a month, she was hopping out of bed with almost no pain at all. It's these small, consistent actions that lead to massive transformations. It's also important to listen to your body. The golden rule is, if it hurts, stop or modify. Pain is your body's signal that you're pushing too hard. Maybe you only do 5 heel slides instead of 15. Or maybe your range of motion is smaller at first. That's perfectly okay. The goal is gentle activation, not a high-intensity workout. Over time, as your knees get healthier and more lubricated, you'll find you can do more with less discomfort. And here's a pro tip. Try to hydrate as soon as you get up. Keep a glass of water by your bed. That synovial fluid we've been talking about is mostly water. If you're dehydrated, that fluid gets thicker and less effective. So Doing these exercises and then giving your body the water it needs to replenish that fluid is a powerful 1-2 punch against knee pain. This morning ritual is your first line of defense, but it's part of a bigger picture of knee health. Think about other small changes you can make. Are your shoes supportive? Do you sit for long periods without moving? Maybe you could set a timer to get up and walk around for a minute every hour. Combining this morning routine with other healthy habits will accelerate your results and give you long-lasting relief. I really encourage you to give this a try. Commit to it for just 1 week. 7 days. That's all I ask. See how you feel? Pay attention to that first step out of bed. Does it feel a little easier? Is the ache a little less intense? I'm confident that you will notice a difference. Your mornings set the tone for your entire day, and starting your day pain-free is a game changer. Imagine being able to walk down the stairs without holding the railing, play with your kids or grandkids in the yard, or simply enjoy a morning stroll without that constant, nagging pain. It is possible. Of course, if your knee pain is severe, suddenly gets worse, or is the result of an injury, it is always best to consult with a doctor or a physical therapist. They can give you a proper diagnosis and a personalized treatment plan. This routine is a supportive measure for general stiffness and arthritic pain, not a replacement for professional medical advice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this secret ritual helps you reclaim your mornings and live a more active, pain-free life. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips on staying healthy and mobile. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Are you going to give this a try? Let me know how it goes. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.